What if you could sell more wholesale parts in fewer steps with less friction? Meet Wholesale Connect for Hyundai, the smarter way to streamline wholesale and collision parts ordering in Snap-on EPC 5. Designed to save time and reduce complexity, Wholesale Connect helps you accelerate growth by validating up to 50 part numbers at once with VIN-level accuracy. No more jumping back and forth, no more validating parts one at a time, just faster workflows, fewer errors, and more orders moving through your department. Whether orders are coming from CCC, Collision Link, OPS, or Parts Trader, Wholesale Connect transforms a multi-step process into a seamless, efficient workflow, helping your team spend less time validating and more time selling. In this training, you'll see how Wholesale Connect works, how it fits into your daily process, and how it can help drive wholesale and collision growth for your Hyundai dealership. Let's get started. First, click Copy all part numbers in your wholesale ordering system. Now, in EPC 5, with the VIN set, click the Validate button to open the Validate part number screen. Click the Paste and Validate button to automatically paste and validate all part numbers in just one step. The part number validation results appear on the right, complete with real-time stats on every number processed. Numbers highlighted in blue match the VIN. Unhighlighted numbers are not applicable to the VIN, but the correct suggested number can be displayed by expanding the part. Select correct and suggested replacement parts to add to your pick list and send to your DMS. Wholesale Connect for Hyundai is designed to simplify your workflow, reduce friction, and help you sell more parts faster. If you're ready to save time, validate parts with confidence, and accelerate your wholesale and collision parts sales, now is the time to take the next step. Contact us today to get started with Wholesale Connect or to learn more about how it can transform your wholesale parts operation.